DIKWP, 小工 aboard, your learning journey starts now. Ever heard of DIKWP? Data, information, knowledge, wisdom, intent. Sounds fancy, right? Like the secret sauce for AI governance. But here's the kicker. Are there any real-world zones running on this magic formula? Let's find out. Alright, let's zoom into China. You're probably thinking, okay, big country, lots of tech buzz, must have some DIKWP zones. Hold your horses. We dug deep government files, official announcements, nada. No official stamps saying DIKWP experimental zone anywhere. What we do see are some cool ideas floating around. Think waffle, maybe using Confucius wisdom for digital governance by 2025. Or Hainan Free Trade Port, the dream spot for DIKWP smart city, thanks to experts like Professor Duan Yukong's team. They even suggested GBA and Action could be next. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the catch. These are all proposals, suggestions, academic brainstorms. No official green light yet. It's like planning a party, lots of excitement, but no invitations sent out. Now, let's hop across the globe. Are other countries secretly building DIKWP fortresses? Nope. We scour the world looking for semantic governance experimental zones. Found nothing matching that exact name. However, the concept of semantic interoperability is definitely getting traction. Think about it. Cities want data to talk to each other, right? So, international standards bodies like ISO/IEC are talking about shared meaning in smart cities. The EU is pushing semantic standards for data exchange between nations. Cities like Singapore and Dubai are using ontologies and knowledge graphs to break down data silos. It's like everyone agrees communication is key, but nobody's officially declared a pilot zone yet. It's more like a global conversation starting, not a race already run. So, if no zones exist, what are the big players doing? International organizations like ISO/IEC and ITU are definitely paying attention. They're working on standards that touch upon DIKWP concepts, especially for smart cities. There's even a new proposal floating around ISO, aiming for an international standard based on DIKWP. ITU is also chiming in, emphasizing semantic understanding in their smart city initiatives. UNESCO and OECD mention things like explainability and cultural relevance, which are related. But again, no official zones launched by these bodies. And that popular idea about Hainan being the first national DIKWP zone, that's mostly from research reports and blogs, not official policy documents. So, the standards engine is revving up, but the actual pilot cars haven't rolled off the lot yet. Alright, let's wrap this up. The big question, are there real DIKWP governance zones? Answer, not yet. It's a hot topic, a promising concept, but mostly 停留在纸面上, or in academic circles. China has some great ideas, especially for places like Hainan, but nothing official is rolling out. Globally, people are talking semantics, interoperability, and smart cities, but no designated experimental zones exist. Keep an eye on the standards development. That's where the action might be next. For now, treat DIKWP zones as a fascinating future possibility, not a current reality. Stay curious